Have you ever walked into a room and felt completely invisible? You talk, people nod, but somehow, nobody really listens. You share an idea. Someone else says the same thing 5 minutes later, and everyone reacts like it's genius. What is happening? It's not about your looks. It's not about how smart you are. It's something far more invisible, and it's been running in the background of every social interaction you've ever had. Stay with me, because once you see this pattern, you can never unsee it. Psychologists call it the social frequency mismatch. Your brain and everyone else's brain is constantly scanning the room, not for danger, not for food. It's scanning for signals of status, confidence, and belonging. And here's the terrifying part. This scan happens in less than 200 milliseconds. Before you even finish your first sentence, people's brains have already made a decision about you. Not consciously, they don't even know they're doing it. But their brain assigned you a social value, and that value determines whether they lean in or tune out. So what signals are being sent? And more importantly, what signals are you sending right now? Signal number 1, the approval loop. Every time you laugh a little too quickly at someone's joke, every time you agree before you've even processed what was said, every time you change your opinion, the moment someone pushes back, your brain is sending a signal. I need your approval to feel okay. And ironically, the moment someone senses that need, they lose interest. Not because they're cruel, because the brain is wired to follow confidence, not seek it. Signal number 2, the invisible pause. People who are ignored tend to speak faster when they feel unheard. They rush, they over-explain, they fill every silence with more words. But here's what's wild. Silence is power. The most magnetic people in any room use pauses deliberately. A pause after a key point says, "What I just said matters. Let it land." Rushing says, "I don't trust that you'll stay, so I'm cramming everything in." Signal number 3, the space collapse. This one is physical. When we feel socially anxious, we shrink. Shoulders forward, eyes down, arms close to the body. We literally take up less space. And the brain, yours and theirs, reads contracted body language as low value. Not because you are low value, but because your body is broadcasting a signal you never chose to send. Now, here's what nobody tells you. You can't fix this by trying to be more confident. Confidence isn't something you perform, it's something you signal, and signals can be rewired. Step 1, break the approval loop. Next time you're in a conversation, pause before you agree. Not to be difficult, but to check. Do you actually agree? Your genuine reaction, even a slight hesitation, communicates authenticity, and authenticity is magnetic. Step 2, own the silence. After you make a point, stop. Don't explain it again. Let the silence exist. Breathe through it. The discomfort you feel in that pause, other people feel it too, and they will fill it by engaging with what you just said. Step 3, expand physically. Before you walk into any room, take one deep breath and expand. Shoulders back, chin level, feet shoulder-width apart. This isn't about arrogance. It's about sending an honest signal. I belong here. Your nervous system will follow your body, and so will the room. Here's the truth that changes everything. Being ignored was never about who you are. It was about the unconscious signals your nervous system learned to send, probably a long time ago, to stay safe. But safety and magnetism require different signals, and now you know what they are. The approval loop, the invisible pause, the space collapse. 3 patterns, running silently, since before you could name them. Now you can. And the moment you can name something, you can change it. If this hit different, subscribe. Because every week, Silent Wiring decodes one more pattern your brain runs without your permission. Your mind is more wired than you think. It's time to read the manual.